In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to merge multiple column in Excel. Now I'm going to merge A, B and C column in D column, employee code, employee name and department. In that case, first of all put equal A2 and then B2 and ampersand C2. Press enter. Okay, now there is no space among the column and the data. Now I'm gonna adding space, so ampersand double quotation space double quotation ampersand, and then again ampersand double quotation space double quotation ampersand. Okay, it's done. Now a space is added, but now I'm gonna add hash sign, hash sign after employee code and then employee name and department. So hash sign is added. Okay, now you can see employee code, employee name and department is in one column with hash sign. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial.